Bob, I'm sitting here thinking maybe Boise Raft and Tube pulled the plug on float season a little bit early.
I just thought, that's a good point. But you know, these things are tough to predict.
Indeed, back to the 90s this weekend.
But I bet a lot of people, I bet you could rent a raft somewhere in town, I'm sure, and there won't be a huge demand for them. Let's take a look at those temperatures. That will be our story. And yeah, the Boise River might be a nice place to float if you got your own tubes like I do in my garage. I haven't put those away. The warming continues near 90 degrees today through Sunday, and some thunderstorms, even a slight chance of some actual rain. That's a possibility on Tuesday anyway. Definitely some cooler temperatures and some breezy conditions by Tuesday. So pretty big change off in the horizon, but in the meantime, it's going to be pretty quiet weather-wise across our area, 71 degrees. Winds are pretty light out of the north at just 3 miles per hour, humidity quite low at 31%. Looking at our current temperature is 71 right now. Compare that to other locations that are in the 60s, so Boise, one of the warmer spots. It looks like Twin Falls beat us out there at 73 at this hour. 89 is what we're forecasting for the high. This was actually below normal yesterday, and we hit 80 yesterday, so today almost 10 degrees warmer, 57 our overnight low. Here's our long-term computer model. Let me explain what's going on here. These lines are lines of equal pressure isobars. They kind of pinpoint the highs and the lows and the positions that the computer model says that they will take. One low right here, another low right here in the Gulf of Alaska. That eventually will have an effect on our weather as we head into Monday, Tuesday time frame. That high pressure ridge responsible for our warm temperatures. There's its position Friday on into Saturday, Sunday. Now on Monday it starts to slide a little farther to the west, opening up the door for this low to drop into the Pacific Northwest. And that will give us some much cooler temperatures. In the meantime, that high pressure ridge dominating our weather, hardly a cloud in the sky across the southwest, Northern California into Nevada, up into southwestern Idaho, pretty much cloud-free, and much of the Pacific Northwest also cloud-free as we just let the computer model run through today, through Thursday, on into Friday, on into Saturday morning. No big changes. What we will see change is the temperature, a little bit warmer each and every day, according to the computer model, will be pretty close to 90 degrees. According to this model, though, on Friday, some locations could be approaching triple digits, like Caldwell, 95. So we might even scale up those temperatures a bit as we head towards Friday on into Saturday. It looks like Saturday, though, our warmest day by just 2 or 3 degrees. Sunny and warmer, Twin Falls high about 86 for today, 77 for Sun Valley. For McCall and Cascade, you're looking at daytime highs in the upper 70s. And for the western end of the valley, daytime highs in the upper 80s. And much of the next few days will be real close to 90 degrees, or maybe a little bit below, maybe a little bit above. Chances are above by a few degrees. At this point in time, Friday, a high of 91, but it's possible we might scale that up a little bit warmer. And then 92 on Saturday. Then the weather changes coming our way. Monday, kind of a transition day. Tuesday, much cooler. There's that chance of showers and thunderstorms, only a slight chance of actual precip, also a bit breezy. That's a look at weather.